change cleaning. I got stuck.
It's coming out. It's coming out.
Can you record?
Yes, I am recording.
Oh, I missed a part. Welcome to Prayan. Please subscribe and hit the bell button to subscribe.
Let me just get something which can open this.
Like a knife.
Scissors.
Stop. Here comes Sharp Mommy.
Sharp money. I'm not sharp money.
Sharp tooth for money. No sharp tooth for me.
Get it out.
Ew, it's so big. It's so heavy. To take the plastic wrap off. So we need to take the plastic wrap off first. So we'll take the plastic wrap off first. And we need to someone. What else can it do? What
We
else?
need to read the instructions for that.
What is the instructions? What are the instructions?
The door opens.
The door opens. The door opens. Of course it can open. Of course it can open. And we make green one into tuner too.
Hmm.
And we make this green sand into tuner.
Yes, we can.
Yes.
Okay, that's the lever.
Yes, so this is, and why is it open? Because you can swirl it like this. You can swirl it like this. And all the sand comes out of it right here. Do you know what this is?
No, what is it?
It's a slide. But it's a slide for the sand.
It's a slide for the sand.
Yes.
Okay.
When we don't have a slide like this, then all the sand will come out. Then the plate won't hold it. Yes, and what's this right here?
What's this right here?
What? Can you tell me?
Yes, it is to decide which size sand do we want. We want a big size or a small size.
I want a small size.
Okay, but it just goes in one hole because this is just a drop.
This much. We can change golden.
The opposite direction. It's coming out. It's coming out.
Can you record?
Yes, I am recording.
Oh, I missed a part.
Do it again. Whoa, it's coming out.
Still doing great. Doing great, Mommy. Am I doing great?
Yes, you are doing great. And this is the inside of the drum.
And sand comes out of it. And do you want to see how a cement mixer?
So what does it do?
It mixes the sand into water sand.
It mixes the cement in water and it is ready to put. Right? It mixes
Yes, but
the cement and water.
we can't put water in it.
Yes, because this is a toy.
I'm still grounding the sand up. I'm grounding the sand up.
So it's a Bruder Cement Mixer.
Yes, but
What are these for?
these are for hedging the speed.
Okay.
Now we do this. It doesn't come out. See? It doesn't go out. It doesn't go out, right, Mummy?
Right.
Look. That's this is. I'm still missing. So this is the control panel and this is the gears. And this is something tight to open. And this is where we keep our hands.
And do the doors open?
Of course. Doors open? Of course they can. Of course they can.
Oh.
Of course they can open. And this is a ladder. This is a ladder.
Where is the ladder?
Here is the ladder. Here is the ladder.
To go up?
Yes. And what's this? Oh, this is the way. This big thing is where it's the storage of the cement mixer.
It's called the rolling drum.
The rolling drum. What's a rolling drum do?
That's the rolling drum.
And a rolling drum do?
To mix the cement.
With water?
Yes.
And what's this?
That's the roof of the cement mixture. I don't think it opens.
Why?
I don't know.
You know. Please subscribe and hit the bell button